Hi everyone. I chose to review case study 4.1 on vegan dietary patterns during pregnancy. After learning about Miss Lederman's health status, it is evident she should look to make some changes in her nutrition to ensure she has a healthy rest of her pregnancy. Now, to give you all a little background on Miss Lederman, she's a healthy 32-year-old woman who is about 13 weeks pregnant. Miss Lederman has followed a vegan diet since she was a teenager as she believed it would better her health. The first question posed in the case study is, does Miss Lederman consume enough protein? Now, vegans generally do not consume enough protein in their diet as they consume no animal products. The RDA for protein intake in pregnant women is 71 grams. Now, based on her results, her dietary analysis showed that she consumed that exactly. For pregnant women who do not consume animal products, it's pertinent that they include complementary sources of protein to create a complete protein. Some examples of this would be combining legumes such as lentils or chickpeas with brown rice or corn. Miss Lederman claims to be doing this already, which is great. While Miss Lederman's protein intake does hit the RDA, there are a few nutrients that fall below the DRI standards. The first being vitamin B12. Her intake levels show 2.1 micrograms when the RDA for pregnant women is 2.6. Vitamin B12 deficiency is common in those who follow a vegan diet, as the predominant sources come from fish, meat, poultry, and eggs. I would recommend she include a supplement as well as fortified foods like plant milks or soy products. Miss Lederman mentions in the case study that she always wears sunscreen when she goes outside, indicating she makes little or no vitamin D in her skin, which shows why her levels are drastically low. Her results showed up as 3 micrograms when the RDA is at 15. For that, I would recommend a prenatal vitamin D supplement of 600 IU per day. The last nutrient Miss Lederman shows to be deficient in is alpha-linolenic acid, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. Because she does not eat fish or seafood, she should look to include algae, walnuts, and different types of seeds, like hemp, flax, or chia. I believe by making these changes to her diet and adding in the various supplements I discussed, Miss Lederman will have a healthy rest of her pregnancy and ensure she is giving her baby the proper nutrients for growth and development.